Hello everyone, welcome to our math channel Math Bridges Fun with Math. This is the continuation of division trick using dots and lines part 2. In this video, we'll be learning how to divide a given number using 3-digit numbers. And the part 1 link has been given in the description. You can go through that one. Now let's start the video. Now let's take one example, 25872 divided by 112. The first step is we will write the given dividend leaving space in between the digits. 25872, leave the space, divided by 112. Now 112 is a 3-digit number. So less than 1 digit, that means 2 digits. So before 2 digits, the dividend, keep the decimal point. It means the answer what we are getting before the decimal point is the quotient, and after the decimal point will be our remainder. Now let's keep the dots. 2. Number 2, under 2 we are taking 2 dots. Now under 5 we will take 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now under 8, 8 dots we will be considering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now under 7 we will take 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now under 2 we will take 2 dots. 1, 2. Now let's start how to do this one. Now 112, that means in first row we will take 1 dot. Second row we will connect with 1 more dot. Third row we have to consider 2 dots. So let's start. First row 1 dot. As it's a starting point, we are considering it in the red color. So second row, how many dots we have to consider? 1, only 1 dot. So I'm connecting to the next dot. Now go to the third row. Third row, how many dots we have to join? We have to consider 2 dots. So join from second row to the third row, and here 2 dots. 1 and 2. 2 dots have been connected with 1 line. It's done. Now same method we'll apply here. The first row itself, 1 dot. Next row connected to the 1 dot. And next the third row we have to connect it to 2 dots. See, third row 2 dots have been connected. Now first row it's over. Both the red color you can see here, there are no dots over here. In next row you can observe here 3 more dots are there. So again we'll go with the same method. First row means this, now this will be our first row. 1 dot. Next row again 1 more dot, we have connected to 1 more dot. Next row 2 dots. So we are connecting to 2 dots here, done. Now again same. 1 dot. Next row 1 dot. Next last row we have to connect to 2 dots. Same method here, 1 more dot is this, so we'll continue the same thing. Initial point in red color. So 1 dot in the next row, and next row we have to take 2 dots. It's done. Now in the second row all the dots we have connected over. Now come to the third row here. Third row you can see here last 1 dot is there. So we'll start from here now. So 1 row, so initial point over here. So 1 dot. So next row we will be considering only 1 dot, and in the last row, next row 2 dots. So connected 2 dots. You observe here all the dots have been connected. It's done. So now we will write how many initial points over here, starting points 2. Under 5 you see how many starting points are there. We have considered it in red color. When you are doing with pen or pencil you can darken dot when you are doing. So 3 here, and under 8 how many are there? 1. So after decimal point you see under 7 are there any starting points? No. At 2 starting points? No. That's it. So our quotient is 231 and remainder is 0. That means when 25872 divided by 112, it is equals to 231. It is like the same 2-digit way, but here 3 times means 3 digits are there. So first row, second row and third row will be considering. Now let's consider 31824 divided by 312. We will write leaving space. Now 312 is a 3-digit number. So 1 digit less than that means 2 digits. Before 2 digits keep a decimal point. So before decimal the answer what we get is quotient, and after 1 is the remainder. Now consider 3 dots under 3 and 1 dot under 1 and 8 dots under 8. We have to take 8 dots over here, and next under 2 we will be taking 2 dots. Under 4 consider 4 dots. So now how we have to connect? First row 3 dots, next row 1 dot, and the last final row we should consider 2 dots. So start under 3. We have to take 3 dots now here. So the starting initial point we will take in red color. Now here we are connecting 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3 dots have been connected here. Next 1 dot. next row. We have connected to 1 dot. Next row, 2 dots. From here, connect here. In this row, we have to consider now how many dots? 2 dots. 1, 2, it's done. Now, are there any dots under 3? All the dots have been completed. Under 1 also, it's done. Now, go under 8. Again, start, same process. 3 dots now here. So, I'll start from here, initial point. So, connected 3 dots. Next row, it will be only 1 dot. Connect to 1 dot. Next row, it should be 2 dots. So, 2 dots we have connected over. Same method again here. Initial point here. 3 dots. Next row it will be 1 dot. So, we are going to the next row under 2, 1 dot. So, next it should be 2 dots. So, we have connected to 2 dots. That's it. It's over now. Now, you see under 3 how many starting points are there? Only red color one. This is 1. Under 1 are there any starting point? No. No red color one. Red color initial points are not there. So, you take it as 0. Now, under 8, you see how many starting points, initial points, red color one, from where we have started like this. So, this point and this point. You can see here, this point also we have started and we went like this. But here there is no starting point. So, we are getting 2. Now, after decimal point, you see, under 2, here no starting points. Under 4 also no starting, means 0, 0. It means 0. Therefore, our quotient is 102, 102 and our remainder is 0. Therefore, 31824 divided by 312 is 102. This one a little different from the previous one what we have done. So, 3328 divided by 104. Leave space and write it. 104 is a 3-digit number. So, 1 digit less 2 digits. So, before 2 digits take the decimal point. Now, take 3 dots. Under 3 here also 3 dots. Now, under 2 we are taking 2 dots. Under 8 you take 8 dots. 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, how we have to do? 1 dot in the first row, 0 dots means you should not consider any dot in the second row, and third row you have to take 4 dots now. 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we'll start here. Initial point 1 here. So 1. Next row 0. So we should not consider any dot over here. So I'm taking the line like this. Now how many we should take in the next row? This row 4. But are there any 4 dots over here? Just see. Are there 4 dots here? No, you can't connect. So what we have to do now? So let's see. So in order to overcome that one, what we have to do means, under this 3, we will remove 1 dot. So instead of that, we will replace in the next row by 10 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will follow the same method. First row 1 dot, next row no dots, 0 means no dots, and next third row we have to consider 4 dots. Now see here, first dot. Next row 0 dots, so I'm not touching any dot over here under 3, second 3. Now next row we have to connect to 4 dots, means 4 dots should be connected. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's done. Now again same method, initial point 1 dot. Next row no dots, we are not touching any dots, so I'm taking the line down here. And next row we have to consider 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots have been connected. Now same method, 1 dot, next row no dots, and next row we have to connect it to 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Now we will start under 3, all the dots have been finished. Now we'll move on to 3 here. What dots are there? 2 dots. So we'll start. Initial point 1, next row no dots. So under 2 now no dots we have to touch. So from here we have to consider 4 dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Connectors we have used as small lines. Now again one more dot is there under 3. Start as an initial point 1 dot. Next row under this no dots. Go to the next row. Here we have to consider 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Now if you observe all the dots we have completed. Now we will count the initial points. Under 3 we got 3 red color points. Initial starting point. Under 3 again here only 1, 2. Now after decimal point, if you see, are there any starting point over here? No. Under 8 also? No. Therefore our quotient is 32 and remainder is 0. Therefore 3328 divided by 104 is 32. You can take more problems on division and you can check with this dot and lines method. It will be very easy and children will enjoy doing this kind of problems. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Math Bridges Fun with Math, and do follow the videos. Do share it with your friends. Thank you everyone for watching the video.